Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 53rd program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. But before that we have to first make the frame folder in HTML folder. Here we have to make frame folder. This program is the lengthiest one, and the new thing in this program is how to make website front page. So we'll make website. So now we'll type the program here. First of all, we'll make the file frame.html and we will start with the tag html. Now frame set rows is equals to 20 percentage, 70 percentage, and 10 percentage. Now frame set cols means frame set column equals to 20 percentage and 80 percentage. Here we have to write frame src equals to header dot html. Now once again we will write frame source. src stand for source equals to sidebar dot html. Once again we'll write frame source contact dot html. Name equals to frame 3. Now we'll end frame set tag frame src equals to footer dot html. Now we'll end frame set and html tag. Now we'll just save it as frame and extension html, and in all files we have to save it in frames folder. We'll save here. We'll make new file now. Header.html will start with html tag. Body bg color equals to cyan. Now h1 tag. MOOC stand for magic of one click. Now we'll end p tag, body tag, and html tag. Now we'll just save it as header and extension html. Now we'll make the third file, which is sidebar.html. So we'll start with HTML tag. I am not giving the bio of tags because we have all seen all the tags in the previous programs. So we'll start with body tag, href tag, target equals to frame 3, contact us. Now we'll end a tag and we'll start br tag. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line, and we will make the necessary changes. Here about us, here we will write result, and here also we will write result. Here we will write syllabus. After writing this, we will end body tag and HTML tag. Now we will save it as sidebar and with the extension HTML and in all files. So now we will make the new file footer.html. So we will start with HTML tag, body bg color equals to cyan. Now h3 tag, now we will end h3 tag, body tag and HTML tag. So now we will save it as footer and extension HTML and in all files. So now we will make contact.html. We will start with HTML tag, body bg color equals to light blue, h1 tag, now we will end h1 tag, body tag and HTML tag. Now we will save it as contact and extension HTML and in all files. So we have done five files and the 4 files are remaining. Now we'll do contact us.html file. We'll start with HTML tag, body. Now h1 tag, address, we'll use br tag, we'll end br tag, and here we write Mumbai, and we'll once again use br tag, we'll end h1 tag, body tag, and html tag. Now we'll save it as contact us and extension html, and in all files. Now we'll make about us.html file. We'll start with html tag, body, now h2 tag, for objective. Now we'll end h2 tag, we'll use p2 tag, now we'll end p tag and body tag and html tag. Now we'll save it as about us and extension html and in all files. Now we'll make result.html file. We'll start with html tag, body tag, now pre tag, h1 tag, now we'll end h1 tag, pre tag, body tag and html tag. So now we'll save it as result.html and in all files. Now we'll type the last file, which is syllabus.html. We'll start with html tag, body tag, h1 tag, networking and internet. Now we'll end h1 tag, pre, h2 tag, unit 1, Now we'll end h2 tag and pre tag, body tag and html tag. Now we'll save it. Syllabus.html and in all files. So now let us check the output. So now we'll check the output. Here we'll click on frame. So here the output comes. If we click on contact us, it will give us the address. If we click on about us, it gives our objective that we have done the file. If we click on result, it will show us the result. If we click on syllabus, it will show us the syllabus. So this is the basic output of how to make front page of website. So in this way you can develop your first website page, and don't forget to check the output and the tags in description, which will make your page clear and make this type of pages for the websites.